Yeah, my name is John Noltner, and I'm here with a project called A Piece of My Mind. It's P-E-A-C-E, and it's a storytelling project I started a dozen years ago because I was frustrated with the quality of our national dialogue. I was concerned about all the things that ask us to look at what can separate us, and I wondered if there was something I could do with my photography and my storytelling to remember what connects us. So really the simple nuts and bolts of it is that I traveled across the country interviewing people from all different backgrounds, asking them, what does peace mean to you? How do you work towards it in your life? We had an hour-long conversation that we recorded. We shot an environmental portrait. And now we travel around sharing these stories through our exhibits, through books, and I'm really excited to be here at Potomac State, where we're also talking about the idea of hope. And today we're doing a story inviting people to share their response to the question, what gives you hope? Really, a thread that I see is this notion that the people around us give us hope. When we look at people who are doing kind things in the midst of difficult circumstances, when we look at people who are finding ways to move forward in challenging times, that this is the kind of thing that gives us hope. And when we see that around us, it winds up being contagious, and it feeds us hope as well.